Okay, I'm just honing the valves in the ball and also the valves themselves. I'm using an 800 grade water paper, T800 water paper, and then after I do like on this one, and then it goes down smooth and easy. I'm using my magnet just to see how smooth it is moving. You can see, which is very nice. That way it will not have any problems with the with oil movement. Right. Okay. I'm ensuring everything is done nicely. Just right. I've already done inside. I was using the, you've seen these that are folded. I've rolled them. After rolling it, then you start honing inside slowly. Don't do too much. It needs to be just some even and give it a smooth touch so that the pistons, these piston valves should be sliding in and out nicely and not very tight. Okay,